Svalbard, Norway, a frozen wonderland at the top of the world. Svalbard has the opportunity to immerse themselves in the breathtaking landscapes of the far north. With its jagged mountains, vast glaciers, and abundant wildlife, Svalbard is a true wilderness at the top of the world. Geography and climate. Svalbard is comprised of several islands, the largest of which are Spitsbergen, Nordøstlandet, Egøya, and Barentsøya. The archipelago often be spotted roaming the sea ice in search of seals, their primary prey. In addition to its terrestrial inhabitants, Svalbard's surrounding waters teem with life. The nutrient-rich kayak expeditions to observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Human settlements. Despite its remote location, Svalbard is home to a small but vibrant community of people. The largest settlement is Longyearbyen, located on the island of Spitsbergen. Originally established